out here. She's getting the water out. And that makes the ice melt.
It's a bit weird.
Daddy, Daddy.
Like, I don't understand how he deals with a cold.
I have no idea either, right? Like, I wonder how it's causing
Whoa!
Let's go. Możesz zostać na tej ice.
Zaraz.